In today's video, we're diving into how modern web apps authenticate users. You've probably heard of sessions, JWTs, and OAuth, but how do they actually work, and when should you use which? Let's break it down visually. Traditional web apps use sessions. Here's how it works. When you log in, the server creates a session and stores your info in memory or a database. It then sends a session ID to your browser as a cookie. Every time you make a request, that session ID is sent along. The server checks it and knows who you are. JWTs, or JSON Web Tokens, work differently. Instead of storing the session on the server creates a signed token and gives it to the client. The token includes user data and is self-contained. On future requests, the server verifies the token's signature but doesn't store session data. This is great for scalability, but comes with trade-offs. OAuth is different. It's all about delegated access. Say you want to log in with Google, you get redirected, Google authenticates you, and then gives your app a token to access your data. With limits. OAuth is the foundation of login with Facebook or sign in with GitHub flows. Use sessions when you control both front-end and back-end and want simplicity. Use JWTs when you need stateless, scalable APIs, but be cautious with security. Use OAuth when users are logging in through third-party services or you need delegated access. Hopefully now you understand how sessions, JWTs, and OAuth differ and where each shines. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and let us know which auth method you're using in your projects.